It all starts here, from the alloy. Alloying metals. When we talk about 925 silver, we alloy pure silver and pure copper. When we talk about gold, on the basis of the thread count percentage we're going to make, we alloy pure gold, pure silver and pure copper. That's how we make our products. But for bronze, we alloy pure copper with pure tin. All our metals are set and melted, always starting with prime quality raw materials. All our metals are set and melted, always starting with prime quality raw materials. The raw materials we first saw alloyed are melted with continuous casting machines. The whole casting process occurs with no gas present. This lets us have products without oxide or stains, checked through the whole working cycle. After melting, the metals are laminated, be they sheets or tubes or threads. In this case, we reduce sheet thickness. We do this by cold lamination, and during the cycle we stop on the basis of the thickness we need to reach. So there are presses with the print mounted on. This is an automatic printer and lets us make up to even 35,000 items a day. Of course, it makes things simpler, and this gives us great production capacity. There are also reproduction presses, where the item is cast and printed manually. Here, the reproduction capacity is far lower. We mean 500-600 items a day. Obviously, there are advantages, thicknesses and prominences you can reach. These are the machines to make textiles. They're from the 50s, and I think we're the only ones in Italy to make this type of product. We actually have 5 different models. Here we make tennis chains. We've 5 measures of them too. We mainly set Swarovski crystal if we make them of silver or bronze, or we even get to setting precious stones when we make them of gold. Here we make all the technical items to create earrings. This is the pivot machine. Here corners are cut and rounded, brands are added, all automatically. This is the machine that makes most items in the company. It's the earring butterfly machine. This machine makes the braids. Their diameter can be up to 38 millimeters. We make bracelets, necklaces, rings, earrings, fine soft materials with it. This is the tube department, where we wrap the rods. We make necklaces, bracelets, earrings, rings with this tube. This tube's feature is that we can make a great volume, but with a lower weight, as the tubular object is empty inside. These are the laser machines, so that we can either cut silver, gold, bronze sheets, or just go and engrave a logo or phrase written on any product. For several months, we've also been able to engrave brand names directly into the laser. This is a CNC pantograph. We cut sheets, following designs made by our designers. We can cut very high or thin sheets, just changing the type of grip. The objects end up very geometrical, very mechanical, very precise. This is the CNC turning. Now we have 3 machines, all very technological, and here we make very precise objects: magnetic zips, screws, micro screws, rings. It's a very versatile machine to let us make very technologically advanced objects. This is the finishing department. The jewel comes from the machine you saw previously, but is then finished by hand. It is welded at the workbench. Each item is welded manually. This is the brushing phase. This phase is very delicate, as the sensitivity of the person and hand linked to the eye ensures that the jewel can shine spectacularly.